forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights. Three Bosa foundation. Bosa, Bosa, Bosa. One Eya for his enemy. Eya. One COVID-19 for his enemy. COVID-19.
Thank you very much for coming. It's of course an honor and privilege for me. Yes. I should not let you down.
Yes.
I will not let you down. Yes. We are here to change the narrative. If you think you want to be a delegate so that you can make money, so you have to have a mind reset.
Yes, yes.
If you think you have a godfather that would impose you on people during primaries, you have to have a change of mindset. You have to reset your mind. If you think you will go and borrow money or loot some money somewhere, to come and buy primaries, you have to have a mind reset. Yes. This is a new narrative. Yeah. We are not interested in who is going to be a presidential candidate of the ADC. What we are interested in, we want to sanitize the system. We want to change the narrative as Nigerian youths. Yes, yes. I'm very happy you are here with me. You are here to pledge your support. Inshallah, I will not let you down. Thank you very much. Yeah. For the last 2 years, there was a coalition of parties that want to make a change. So they were given a criteria that they should find a party that every other interested Nigerian that have conscience will collapse into. One of the criteria is they should find a party that doesn't have religious, sectional, or ethnic colorations. For the last 2 years, they couldn't find any party but the ADC. So the ADC is not a northern party, it's not a southern party, it's not a Muslim or Christian party. It's a party for ordinary Nigerians. You have to go and look at our motto. Our motto is welfare of Nigerian citizens. So the youth wing of the ADC is the strength of the ADC because there is affirmative action on 40% of all appointed and elected positions. So that's the reason why we have the ADC being adopted as a party to be. Right? Likely said by my leader, is the second force. Yes. In the next 2 years, it will be. It will be.
What's your take in all this? What's your message?
Yes. Are you conversant with the budget of the Ministry of Youth? Do you know? It's only 14 billion naira. Just 14. This government is not serious about youth activities. When you scrutinize that budget, you see only the NYSC that has 29 billion, and it's only for their kitting, not even their welfare. So this government, looking at the budget allocation to youth activities, the government is not serious. The student loan, a lot of students are complaining. They are not getting the loan. So what is happening? So this government, has to wake up. If this government is serious about youth, the contract, the highway speed, whatever they call it, Lagos Calabar, that consume almost 15 trillion naira of our money. If that money will be dedicated to youth development in these 4 years, I'm very sure, we'll take out more than 5 million youths out of poverty, out of unemployment. This government is not serious about anything youth. Our budget is 14 billion naira. They are renovating an airport, 712 billion naira. 712 billion naira. Our budget, we are 70% of this population, but our budget in the Ministry of Youth is only 14 billion naira out of, taking out the 28 billion naira for the NYC.
Now, what's your final message to Nigerian youth as we approach 2027?
Yes, you have to have a mind reset. You have to have a mind reset. It cannot be business as usual. The Nigerian youth, I'm talking to you. We are not here as your leaders to make connection. We are not here to follow vanity, you know, but we are here to change the narrative. What we want to change the inter-party politics. It's no more business as usual. We need to, you know, make politics less lucrative. We have to make politics not business but a service. And it has to start with the youth wing. And this is what we are here to do. We have to have a, you know, mind reset. Thank you very much.
Mr. Leader.
Yes, these are the messages that we are dashing out. The ADC, it will not continue as business as usual. We are going to sanitize our inter-party politics. We are not going to promote. This is the first time in the youth wing, I promise, we are going to make delegates valueless. Because if we go with delegate, you know, politicking as a candidate, you borrow money, you bought delegates to the tune of 10, 20, 30 billion naira in presidential primaries. What will you think of a person that have spent that money? So the ADC will make sure we sanitize our internal politics, that we make the plain level ground for contestants, so that politics will not be business, it will be service. That's one message I want to take to the Nigerian youth. And the party ADC is a party for the Nigerian youth. We have 40% inclusion. They should go and look at the structure of our interim leadership now. 40% are youth. They should go and look at it. It's not rhetoric this time around. It's practical. So when it comes to elective and appointed positions in ADC, 40% is reserved for sure, and we are going to fight for it. Thank you.
How do you intend to reach to inclusion?
See, it's not about who's going to be the bearer. It's about the changing the system. The system, the processes have rotten. And this is what we are here to do. By the time we sanitize the system, anybody that emerges as presidential, bearer will find a very smooth running, because he will have a platform that is devoid of money politics. And let me assure you, anybody you see in the ADC coalition is a Nigerian with conscience. Anybody. So now it's between people with conscience and people that have no conscience. So our leaders that are with us, they have been given offers by the present administration of contracts, of appointments, but they refused because they say enough is enough. So we have trust in them, we believe in them, and let me also assert it here. Democracy is about participation and accountability. These are our leaders. We are not going to watch them. We are going to monitor them. We are going to say no when they drill. That's my message.